Welcome to सबै छ. Today we are going to discuss about domain registration. To get a NP domain, how to register a NP domain, how to get a free domain, we are going to discuss for these things. For these things, we just have to visit the register.com.np, which is the official site of .np domains. After this one, you just have to make your profiles. You have to check your domain availability and everything. For this one, I am going to give a demonstration. Just look at here. To register a domain, first open your browser, type registr register.com.np. After this one, you will get this type of site. You need to check your domain as per your requirements. So if you want to register a personal domain, you can register your domain by your citizenship name. To check the domains, either you can use your full name, or you can use your first name and last name, or you can use your last name and first name, and vice versa. Let me check for the SUBASH. First of all, I need to check the Subhash. If this is available, then only we can register subhash.com.np. After searching, after clicking on the search button, if the domain is available, we will get. But right now, sorry, the subhash.com is already taken. And again, we will try with SUBASH Subhash PUDASCINI Pudaseni. Let me check again for this one. Congratulations, subhashpudaseni.com is available. If we need to register this domain, we can go ahead, or still we can search the domains as per our requirement. Let's try for the Subhash P also. This is also the options for you. The domain is already taken. And again, let me try for the P SUBASH. So these are the some combinations you can use with your citizenship name. And if the domain is available, you just have to click on the register now button, and then you need to register in this site. If you have an existing username and password, you can provide your email address and password. Otherwise, you just have to go for create an account. For me, I am going to create an account, and just look at here how the account can be created. So you need to write your full name here. You need to write your email address like this. You need to choose any password for this site. So let's choose the password as per your requirement. I just have written some password, and let's confirm your password. After this one, you just have to click on the create account. You will get an email. Have to activate your account to use this panel. So let me open the Gmail. Now let me write the email address. This is the email address. We need to write our password. After writing your password, you just have to click for next. Now we got the email from .np domain. After this one, we just have to click on the email message. Dear Subhash Pudaseni, thank you for requesting user registrations for domain service. And we just have to click on the verify button. Now the user is verified. Now you can register your domain as per your requirements. So let's log into here. Write the email address. After typing the password, click at sign in. Now we have successfully signed in, and after signing, you will get your profile name here. So before registering any domains, now you need to get the informations what are the things you need to manipulate. So if you are going to register your personal domain, that means you need to confirm about the name server. You have to put the name server here, and then you have to write your full address. Before registering the domain, first you need to prepare some documents which are required for registering the domain. You need to prepare a request letter and citizenship like this. So this is the request letter format. Though the request letter is written by hand, this will also accepted by them. If there is anything wrong or straight, they will reject the domain. Let's try from this one, either that will be accepted or not. Just look at here, this is the request letter we just have written. The request letter should like this. You just have to write a subject, and you can write any message as per your requirement, but the most important part is you just have to specify name server details. This name server we will write in a form also. After that one, you just have to get signature, and you need to give your citizenship address, and then the citizenship you just have to prepare like this. Your both side is required. In this way you just have to prepare your citizenship. Now let's go back for the site where we already have started a form. The domain name is psubhas.com.np. we already moved here. The name server you just have to write here, the primary name server and secondary name server. This one you need to write as per the requirement. Don't write the IP addresses, the information is given here. Let's write your full name. If you are registering a domain for the organization, then you have to write a organization name here, and then otherwise no need to write. Choose country, choose state, choose your address. After this one, you need to write the email address. This is the administrative address. If you want to change the name server and other things, you must have to specify this email addresses. And the domain is, if you are registering the domain for your client, at the time you have to write the client address as the administrative address and your address as the technical address. But right now I am choosing the same for all of them by clicking on the copy checkbox. Every information is copied to here. After this one, you just have to go for the save and continue. Now it's time for uploading the documents whatever we just have prepared. So let's select the cover letter. The cover letter we already have prepared. Let's save this one. Again you need to upload another document, that is your citizenship. Choose your citizenship and save image. If you are trying to register a domain for a company, at the time you just have to write your cover letter in company letterhead, and you just have to get the signature, and you just have to stamp a seal. You need to provide a company registration certificate, as well as you just have to provide the PAN or PAT certificate. So if any document is wrong, you can delete, or anything else you have to manipulate, but right now it's okay for me. After uploading all the documents, now it's time for request a domain. Click on request domain. After this one, now the domain request is sent. Here the domain request is received and wait for approval. If anything wrong, we'll get the status here. If the domain is successfully registered, then it will be inside a active domain. For right now, there is nothing to active domain. Now we just have to wait for around 48 hours, but let's check it out how many hours they will take. After successfully registering a domain, your domain will be in a active domain list and the domain status will be active. Congratulations, the domain is registered. If you want to see the video related to hosting or making a live for this site, you need to wait for some time. If you have any queries, please write the comment below. If you like to see the more videos, please subscribe the channel and get the bell icons. Thank you.